Growing American holly, Ilex opoc AA, from seed can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. This evergreen tree is known for its beautiful red berries and glossy green leaves, making it a popular choice for landscaping and holiday decorations. By following these steps, you can successfully grow American holly from seed and watch it develop into a majestic tree over time. Materials needed: ripe American holly berries, plastic bag, moistened medium, for example, peat moss or vermiculite, small pots or seed trays with individual cells, well-draining potting mix, peat moss, perlite, vermiculite, grow lights or indirect sunlight, watering can or spray bottle, fertilizer, balanced slow release, mulch, garden tools, shovel, trowel. Step 1. Seed collection. In late fall or early winter, collect ripe berries from a female American holly tree. Look for berries that are bright red or orange. Ensure you have permission if collecting from someone else's property. Step 2. Berry preparation. Gently mash the berries and soak them in water for a few hours. The viable seeds will sink to the bottom, while the pulp and non-viable seeds will float to the top. Carefully separate the viable seeds from the pulp. Step 3. Cold stratification. American holly seeds require a period of cold stratification to break their dormancy. Place the seeds in a plastic bag filled with a moistened medium, such as peat moss or vermiculite. Seal the bag and store it in a refrigerator at a temperature of around 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius, for 60 to 90 days. This process simulates winter conditions. Step 4. Seedling containers. After the cold stratification period, prepare small containers with a well-draining potting mix. You can use small pots or seed trays with individual cells. Fill them with a mix of equal parts peat moss, perlite, and vermiculite. Step 5. Sowing seeds. Plant 1 or 2 seeds in each container, burying them about 1/4 to 1/2 inch, 0.6 to 1.3 centimeters, deep. Gently water the containers to ensure the soil is evenly moist but not waterlogged. Step 6. Provide light and warmth. Place the containers in a warm location with indirect sunlight or under grow lights. Aim for a temperature of around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering. Step 7. Seedling care. Germination may take several weeks or even a few months. Once the seedlings emerge, thin them out, keeping only the strongest and healthiest ones in each container. Continue to provide them with sufficient light, warmth, and moisture. Step 8. Transplanting. When the seedlings have grown to a suitable size, usually around 6 to 12 inches, 15 to 30 centimeters, tall and have developed a good root system, they can be transplanted outdoors. Choose a location with well-draining soil and partial shade, as American holly prefers dappled sunlight. Step 9. Outdoor care. Dig a hole that is slightly larger than the root ball of the seedling. Place the seedling in the hole, making sure the soil level is the same as it was in the container. Backfill the hole with soil and water thoroughly. Mulch around the base of the plant to help retain moisture and suppress weed growth. Step 10. Continued growth. American holly is a slow-growing tree, so be patient with its development. Provide regular water during dry periods, especially in the first year after transplanting. Fertilize sparingly, using a balanced slow-release fertilizer specifically formulated for trees. Conclusion. Growing American holly from seed allows you to witness the tree's development from the beginning, offering a unique gardening experience. By following these steps, you can successfully grow this iconic evergreen tree and enjoy its beauty for years to come.